All right, welcome back, everybody. Some news from the 2022 USA Track and Field Grand Prix in New York City. Okay, well, the 100 meters events results are in. It saw Sha'Carri Richardson, Aleia Hobbs, Tiana Daniels, and more. Briana Williams also in contention for this 100 meters. However, Aleia Hobbs came out on top, edging Sha'Carri Richardson, who came in second. Aleia Hobbs recording a meet record and a personal best with a 10.83 from lane 6. In lane 5 was Sha'Carri Richardson with a 10.85 and a season best. After the race, Sha'Carri says she is feeling great and in good shape. Okay, fastest time of the season. All right, Tiana Daniels also with a season's best, 10.99. Cambria Sturgis with 11 seconds flat from lane 4. Briana Williams of Jamaica in 5th with a 11.11. Okay, after running 2 sub-10s in Jamaica two sub-11s rather, pardon my mistake, last week or a week or two ago in Jamaica. All right, Micaiah Briscoe 11.16, finishing 6th. Ashanti Moore in 7th from Jamaica, also finishing with 11.18. That is a season best. All right. Kyra Parker, 11.18 in 8th. And Desiree Bryant of the United States also with 11.19 rather. Also a season's best. Rounding out the field in 9th, the conditions were overcast. The temperature was 21 degrees Celsius. The humidity was 76%. All right, with a plus 0.13 wind. All right, guys, remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned.